Sworn in as the Chief Minister of the state at 44. Fadnavis will be the second youngest Chief Minister of the state. His ceremony will be attended by the top brass of the BJP, but Sena leaders will be giving the event a miss.
People of Maharashtra, that we will follow the same path which is followed by Honorable Modi ji, the path of inclusiveness, the path of development.
At the age of 44, Devendra Fadnavis will be sworn in as the second youngest Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की अपने संख्या और अपनी ताकत पर शपथ ग्रहण समारोह होगा। छोटा कैबिनेट है और महाराष्ट्र में भारतीय जनता पार्टी शासन का शुरुआत कल देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी के मुख्यमंत्री के शपथ ग्रहण समारोह के पश्चात होगा।
Fadnavis will be sworn in a grand ceremony at Mumbai's prestigious Wankhede Stadium. The mega event to be attended by the top leadership of BJP, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Who boycotts and who comes, we will welcome everyone. We want that it should be Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and that particularly for the people of Maharashtra.
But after the cold shoulder by the BJP in the last few days, Sena leaders might just give the swearing in a miss. The talks are underway with the Sena.
शिवसेना हमारा दुश्मन नहीं है। हमने हर एक राजनीतिक दल को बहुत ही सम्मान के साथ आमंत्रण भेजा है और जहां तक सवाल है नेतृत्व का, हर एक नेता को भी ये आमंत्रण गया है।
Even as Wankhede is bustling with preparations for the Chief Minister's swearing in, there is an unusual silence here at Matoshri. And with no Shiv Sena leaders expected to take oath along with Devendra Fadnavis, the mood here is unlikely to change. With video journalist Salim, Kajal Iyer for Times Now.